Hi, to enter a split screen on your POCO X7 Pro, first thing first, let's find our first app for the split screen. So let me go through the list of apps and I'm gonna choose YouTube. So I need to tap it to open and now simply use this home button to close it. And what I'm gonna do next is I need to tap the square button to open my recents, press and hold YouTube to see those options. So from here, choose this icon for the split screen. And now you need to choose your second app. You can find it in your recents, or you can tap on any free space to close recents and simply find it in your homepage or in app drawer. So let's just find our second app and I'm gonna pick notes. And now we can use those two apps at the same time. So you can watch videos and make notes at the same time, and this is quite impressive. You can tap on three dots and here you can actually tap to open a new window like that, and you can see some instructions about floating windows. So now we can actually use three apps at the same time, and this one is a floating window. So you can resize it if you drag its corners like that. You can also see its three dots, tap it, and add even more floating windows. So now we can use four apps at the same time. If you tap this one, you'll be able to create notes in this window. Then you can tap your second window and create notes here. Then you can simply tap on your second app and create notes there. And also you can hold this line, swipe it up and close those floating windows. Now let's tap on these three dots in the middle, and here we can also tap this second icon, and now notes would be on top and YouTube at the bottom. Let's just replace it again. And we can make one app on a full screen, but in that case we'll leave our split screen. So let's use this icon. Let me just go back and tap here. And now as you can see, we are using YouTube on a full size and Notes as a floating window. You can go back to split screen if you choose this icon. And also you can see this line in the middle. You can hold it and make YouTube bigger, or you can make your Notes app bigger just by dragging this line. Now if you wanna close your split screen, you can either tap on the three dots and choose this cross to close everything, or you can trigger your recents and simply swipe left your split screen, and voila, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.